quality of the tree, and the entire process is overlooked by the DCF in consultation with the PCCF.
Speaker sir, serial number B reply दिल्या 319 cases total गोंया book जाल्यो illegal tree felling. झाडांचे गिनती न्ही cases book जाल्यो. Again, if I refer only to Panji range, 1458 illegal trees have been felled in the last 1 year. आम्ही फक्त report मागिल्लो last 1 year चो. Action जेन्ना मागला चडशे हातून drawn पंचनामा inquiry is in process. नाल्यार pending inquiry. नाल्यार inquiry report is submitted. They are all vague answers which have been given in these replies. माझो दुसरो प्रश्न आसा whether minister has on record the offences booked in the last year under the Panji range, whether the CCF checks and reviews these zones while the tree cutting is aggressively done in this type of zones, and if it is, what is the time limit that the department needs to take action in this type of cases to derive to a conclusion.
Speaker sir, the DCF decides upon the fines based on the Round Forester and RFO reports. Now the time limit depends upon the severity of the individual case and also upon the site inspections that are carried out to verify different facts.
Last year, how many illegal were?
How many cases? Yeah. Now, offense cases booked during the last 3 years.
Last 1 year is enough. Panji range.
Last 1 year?
No, Panji range.
Yeah. Now, in private forest areas, in the year 2012-13, 50 cases have been booked. And that is in the South Division. And in the North Division, in the year 2012-13, 236 cases have been booked in private areas.
Speaker sir, तिसरा सा, ये दोनों चला मुझे.
Speaker sir, सारी दसात प्रश्न सार गए.
तीसरा. Speaker sir, I think the minister is misinformed. The total number of cases this year of illegal tree felling was 1,458 in Panji range only. Last year only 1 year, it is 2,030 approximately. At the Panji range, म्हणजे Tiswadi and Bardes. If I come to my Pororim constituency, there have been illegal tree felling happening consistently, maybe from the builder lobby or whatever. Panji जाता. आता पयर हांवें एक केस रिफर केल्ली, सुषमा नर्वेकर, serial number 135. तशेंच serial number 30. 79 cases of tree felling has been there.
तुमका कितें विचारपाचें आसता?
विचारता, I'm coming to it. Speaker sir, when this one side we are saying greenery जाय, सगळे जाय, झाडां वाडोवची, दुसऱ्या साइडीक बिरेस्तार, शुक्रार, शेनवार मेळ्ळो की illegal tree cutting starts. Now these cases have been booked, and on record also you have these cases. My question to you is, what is the action government proposes to take on such people to curb such offences? Whether you will take immediate strict action on this cases which I have reported, one of these cases which I have been talking right now, whether you will take strict action so that it is a precedent in the future for the people. कित्याक तुमच्या government and forest map दिले RP वेळार.
जाल प्रश्न विचारलो.
विचारलो, I'll just tell her why. RP वेळार you all have given the forest maps. You all have identified for private forest. Today you all are only contradicting your statements. And I have shown you these plans also of one case where there is a private forest here, which your department was saying no. So I want a clarity on this. What is the action you all propose to take, and how much time you all will need to take action on such offenders, so that in future a precedent is created?
Speaker sir, with reference to the case, offence case booked against survey number 50/4, the fact of the case is that major part of survey number 50/4 is private forest. However, part of the survey number 50/4 is not private forest, and permission for cutting 2 trees, 2 tamarind trees, was granted in the North Forest area. Now, Now, what happens is that the validity for cutting the tree is 45 days. Unfortunately, for the person asking for the license, the tree was cut after the validity period had expired, and consequently action was taken by the department.
It is not only this case.
Now,
all cases.
In all cases.
Yeah, what action? Now, these cases which are registered in last 1 year, will you immediately take action? There are about 135 cases or 150 cases.
Yes. Now,
in
as far as
range only. where maximum aggressive, if you see, forest cutting is maximum in Panjim range, Tiswadi and Bardez. So will you take immediate action? And I'm not talking about one particular survey number. There are a lot of people. So will you take action? If so, how much time you will need to take action on these people?
We are, actually, the Forest Department, we are in the process of reviewing the pending cases. In fact, action is being contemplated against the officials who are delaying the inquiry process.
Time limit of Dipura.
Yes.
Just give a tentative time limit how much you will take for Panjim range forest to settle these pending cases. That's it.
Well, the exact time I wouldn't be able to tell, but I'll get back to you and let you know exactly more or less how much time we will require.
आम्ही पुढल्या प्रश्नाकडे या. प्रश्न क्रमांक 6 श्री ग्लेन टिकलो.
Speaker, sir, may I be permitted to ask star LQ number 6B?
Speaker, sir, उत्तर छापील कागदाप्रमाणे.
Speaker, sir, Uttar Dilli, sir, whether there is a proposal sent for development of Children's Park at National under the Golden Jubilee Funds released to the Panchayat? Yes, sir. Boria, sir. B says the status says the Panchayat has been asked to produce property documents. I want to ask the Honorable Minister, what documents does the Director of Panchayat seeking from the village Panchayat of National?
Speaker, sir, it should be ownership document.
Speaker, sir, I don't think the Director of Panchayat has furnished proper information to our Honorable Minister. In fact, I have the whole set of documents has already been given. In fact, this particular proposal in 2010 was routed to MP funds. Thereafter, it was withdrawn, and then they applied to Golden Jubilee grants. Tajoparan, in fact, I met him once. In fact, the Sarpanch has met him quite a number of times to get the approval. He wants an NOC from the Komledad. NOC from the Komledad already dil diya, sir. And even I've sought permission, taken legal advice, that is no need of a renewal, which is already here. It's already been given some years back, but he's insisting. So I can't understand the reason why he's sitting with the file and what interest is got in sitting with the file. Who was also the additional collector then, at the time of when he was an MP, when it was under the MP funds, he was an additional collector, now he's the Director of Panchayat.
Speaker, sir, साधारण आम्ही जेन्ना कामां करतात त्या जमनीत अनुभव असो आसता की केन्ना केन्ना कोणी ऑब्जेक्शन घेता मागीर मागीर टेंडर वर्क ऑर्डर दिल्लें काम अर्दवट रावता म्हणून आमी सादारणपणे आतां प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर म्हणून जो ओनर आसा ताचो टायटल आतां ताणें म्हटल्या प्रमाणे ती कोमदाद म्हणटा तो ती कोमदाद जर आसत आनी जर कोमदादीन जर एनओसी दिल्ली आसत जाल्यार तें उरचें ना कोमदादीची जर प्रॉपर्टी आसत आनी खरीच कोमदादीची प्रॉपर्टी आसत आनी कोमदादीन जर एनओसी दिल्ली आसत जाल्यार देर शुड नॉट बी एनी प्रॉब्लम आय विल लूक इनटू आनी जर एनओसी इज ऑन रेकॉर्ड even if it is not on record, honorable member is ready to produce it. He has it at the moment probably.
I can place in the house, in fact I have it, but I can't understand why is he asking for renewal when there's no date given, when the NOC is given by the Komledad. It is specifically said it's for like forever. It's not mentioned for 3 years or 5 years or 8 years, something of that sort. And there's any letter made by the Komledad to the Director of Panchayat that they should not issue. Nothing of that sort also has arisen. So where's the question asking for renewal, Speaker, sir? I would like the Honorable Minister to look into the matter and permission because of the children.
Okay.
We want development.
Because sir, म्हाका दिसता एक जाल्लें आसूं शकता की जी ऑनरेबल मेंबर म्हणटा ती एनओसी जर खूब जुनी आसत जाल्यार कदाचित डायरेक्टर मागता आसत पण हांव आय विल फायंड आउट जर ती चलूं शकता जाल्यार आय विल डेफिनेटली एक्सटेंड हेल्प डोंट वरी आनी समजा ती चलना आसत जाल्यार वॉट इज देयर इन गेटिंग अ न्यू फ्रेश वन I can also put my word. तूं आसात.
But there's an NOC already, no?
Okay.
There's no issue.
No problem. No problem.
Not required.
म्हाका दिसता there should not be a problem.
Yeah. Thank you.
प्रश्न क्रमांक 7 श्री किरण कांदोळकर.
स्पीकर सर, म्हाका प्रश्न क्रमांक 7A, 7A
स्पीकर सर, उत्तर छापील कागदा प्रमाण.
स्पीकर सर, हांवें प्रश्न विचारलेलो की डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायत ऑफिसान सरकाराची ट्रान्सफर करपाची भुमिका कितें, क्रायटेरिया कितें, तर म्हाका उत्तर गावल्लें आसा की 3 वर्सां कदाचित 4 वर्सां. पूण स्पीकर सर, हांगासर 10 वर्सां 15 वर्सां जाल्ले ऑफिसर्स आहा, LDC आहा, UDC आहा, सगळे भाशेचे क्लर्क आहात. तर इतली वर्सां तांकां 10 ते 15 वर्सां एका जाग्यार दवरपाचें कारण कितें? आनी एकाच जाग्यार एकाच ऑफिसान नरेश सावळ शबय घालता की तांचे ट्रान्सफर करता म्हणून. म्हाजें दुखणें आहा ट्रान्सफर जायना म्हणून तर दिवचे.
स्पीकर सर, हांगा वेगवेगळ्या BDO ऑफिसांत किंवा पंचायत डायरेक्टरेटांत खूब मनीस आसात जे 3 वर्सांत न्हय 10 वर्सां आनी 15 वर्सांय जाल्ले. हांव मंत्री एकूच वर्स जाल्यार जालो, म्हणजे फाटीं कशी उरले, कोण दवरतालो, कित्याक सांबाळटालो हांव नकळो. हांव मंत्री जाल्यार 13 म्हयने जाले आनी आतां आसा तो डायरेक्टर आयल्यार 6 म्हयने जाले. त्यामुळे आसात ते गजाल खरी, पूण स्पीकर सर म्हजो अनुभव सांगता. तोच उलयलो कोण तरी शबय घालता म्हणून. शबय घालतात, शिगमो घालतात, बदली जावची म्हणूनय घालणारे असतात आणि बदली जाल्ली कॅन्सल करची म्हणूनय घालतात. त्यामुळे तसे बदली हो विषय कारणा शिवाय तकलेक ताण देणारो आसता. अनलेस त्यामुळे हांवें तरी ठरयलां की कोणाचेर कसली आजनेरी कंप्लेंट आसा जाल्यार ताका हालोवचो, ना जाल्यार इफ द थिंग्स आर मुवींग स्मूथली वाय आय शूड डिस्टर्ब द. हय
स्पीकर सर, कायदो कितें सांगता 3 वर्सां किंवा चडांत चड 4 वर्सां. हांगासर तांकां कितें फेविकलाच्यो कदेली दिल्ले आसा काय कितें, किंवा 10-15 वर्सां दोसोन आहा. कदाचित हांव मानता की आमचे माननीय मंत्री 1 वर्स जाले, डायरेक्टर 6 म्हयने जाले, पूण ट्रान्सफर करपाक कितलो टायम लागता. आनी ही जी थोडीशीं नांवां आहा म्हाजे कडेन, म्हजें दुखणें आहा, जे दुखणें न्हू म्हजें, लोकांच्यो ग्रेवेन्सीस आहा की हांगासर चाव पियेल्या बगर काम जायना, चाव लागता. ट्रान्सफर न्हू, लीव सुद्दां जर त्याच ऑफिसांतले जर घालीत जाल्यारूय चाव लागता. ती चाव कसली ती तुमी सजमोन घेयात, पूण हाचेर एक केन्ना मेरेन जातले. कायद्या प्रमाणे ट्रान्सफरी जावनी. पाणी म्हणिना, चावूच म्हणटा.
स्पीकर सर, हांव जेन्ना मंत्री जालो तेन्ना एक चाववाल्याचें नांव हांवें पयलीं आयकल्लें. ताचें नांव भरपूर प्रसिद्ध आसलें आनी त्यामुळे त्या चाववाल्याक हांवें हालयलो. तो GIAचें काम पळयतालो. आनीक कोण असले चाव कॉफी कितें मागता, उदक सुद्दां मागता आसा जाल्यार म्हजें लक्ष आसतलें. ताणें म्हाज्या आतां हांगा सांगूंक जाय अशें कांय ना, ताणें म्हज्या कानानूय सांगल्यार जाता.
ना स्पीकर सर, म्हाजें सांगपाचें कितें आहा की दुसरे जे त्या जाग्यार ट्रान्सफर जावन येतात त्याच कॅटेगरींतले मनीस, हेड क्लर्क म्हणात किंवा कसले सेम पोजिशनाचे मनीस, तेंचेर अन्याय जाता. कित्याक हे जे पयलींसून जे दसलेले आहात कदेलीक ते आपूण सगळ्या कामांक येंग मारून दवरतात, येंग मारून रावतात. हेका लागून दुसऱ्याचेर अन्याय जावचो न्हू. दुसरो जो त्या ऑफिसान खंयसून तरी ट्रान्सफर जावन येता तेजेर अन्याय जावचो न्हू म्हणून म्हजो हो प्रश्न. हांकां बेगींतल्या बेगीन हालोवपाचें तुमी एश्युरन्स दियात. तुमकां कितें इंट्रस्ट आहा स्पीकर सर? माननीय मंत्री आमचो क्लीन, नीट आनी क्लीन, तांकां कितें इंट्रस्ट आहा? तुमी कायद्या प्रमाणे करून उडयात न्हू.
स्पीकर सर, ही मागणी करप खूब सोंपें. हांगा 1 आनी 2 ना, हांगा प्रत्येक BDOच्या ऑफिसांत 10 लोक आसात. डायरेक्टर ऑफ
स्पीकर सर, प्रश्न हा पंचायत ऑफिस आमच्या डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायतींतलो. हांगासर जे 10 ते 15 वर्सां जाल्या, हांव जेंची 10 वर्सां जाल्या तेंचीय मागणी करिना, 10 ते 15 वर्सां जाल्या हांचे सांगता.
स्पीकर सर, उत्तर जें आसा, प्रश्न जो आसा, कॅटेगरी वायज लिस्ट ऑफ एम्प्लॉईज वर्किंग इन मेन ऑफिस ऑफ डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायत अँड ऑल BDOs for the last 3 years with the details of employees not transferred for more than 5 years, मागीर 5 to 10 years and 10 to 15 years असो प्रश्न आसा. त्यामुळे हांवें तशें उत्तर दिल्लें आसा. पूण सगळ्यांक हालोवपाचें जाल्यार सगळोच सेटअप हालोवचो पडटलो, थोडे ना.
स्पीकर सर, कित्याक हालोवंक ना आनी हालोवंक ना जाल्यार एक्शन कित्याक घेवंक ना, होय तितून फुडें प्रश्न आहा स्पीकर सर.
हय